Hey, what's up, gang? Hope everyone's having a good weekend. We're back to a full week of trading. So we're gonna run through some charts and give out thesis for the coming day tomorrow, Monday. So as you guys know, obviously there's still war going on and there's still government pending shutdown over our heads. So we gotta tread lightly on the bull side, I'll say, in my opinion. We can't be a perma bull yet. We gotta wait until these things fade away or digest in the system. I'm sorry, in the market. So tomorrow, I do expect a relief bounce because we already had two red days, which was given, expected to be red. We had like four consecutive green days. So we had two red days on Thursday and Friday, right? But the Friday was kind of an inside day. Yeah, we did make a lower, but it didn't hold. The Bulls still bounced it off the 9 day. They bounced it. So if we can hold this resistance, I'm a big believer in resistance turn support. So if we could hold this support area tomorrow, basically not revisit these prices, then yeah, I believe SPY might try to push back up to at least 435. So tomorrow that's probably gonna be the big zone that I'll watch, the 435. So let me di dissect it a little more here. Uh, Matter of fact, I think I had the zones set up already. Let me see something. Before I took off the lines, I want to see something. I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. All right. Yeah, I did have the lines. All right. I'm gonna just delete these. I'm gonna keep the green ones as the ones that I'm looking at. All right. So these are the two levels that I want you guys to watch tomorrow. Obviously, this level is to go short and this is to go long. All right. So those two levels, a big watch tomorrow. Um, the trend on the Mac is still kind of pushing up. You see, this white line is kind of extended away from the orange. So that's what I'm saying. The Bulls still look like they want to hold the market, maybe just because the market tends to go off a war. So it could be that, and there's a lot going on right now. So, but that's just my personal opinion. So the Qs, same thing should be for the Qs. Delete these lines. I'll delete all of them because I ain't putting no levels on Qs. So Qs, easy level. Underneath the 9 and the 21, you short it. So I'll put it right here for you guys. You short it there. What the hell? All right, I'll just move this up. There you go. I'll adjust those levels in the morning and those price points too. So Q's under that level, which is, what is this? What? This is definitely 363 to 363, right? 25. That's what we're looking at tomorrow for downside. 363, 25. What the hell? Oh, that's why I wrote it wrong. Okay. Oh my God, whatever. 363.25. And upside, it has to get at least here for me to go long. So we're gonna watch three. What the hell's going on? Let me see something, guys. Let me just remove all inactives. I don't even know if that's what's doing it. But why I can't put an alert here? Yeah, I don't know. It's usually first unable two factors. Got it, whatever. I don't know. I'll figure it out later, guys. I never had that message. So I'm gonna put a level right here. I'll do another one. Yeah. So what's that? That's three. 369.15. All right, so if it goes there, I'll go long. And let's look at Apple. Apple looks heavy. Let me see. Well, not really. It held this support. It could bounce tomorrow. And is on the positive. As long as Apple holds the 50, we're good. If it goes below that, then go short. But I think as long as Apple holds the 50 like it did on Friday, it wicked above. So I'll put a level here to watch tomorrow on Apple. Go short here, and if it goes long, obviously watch the break of highs of Friday to see if it wants to go long. Apple looks like it might want to bounce. It wasn't really a heavy drop on the RSI, and this could be a head and shoulder build on the RSI if it just decides to go back up. So let's see. Microsoft had good news with the Activision deal going through. So Microsoft, yeah, held the 52. So most of these are holding their 50. So we could definitely bounce here because this was a bounce area. Now this is a higher low. And Microsoft did break resistance already. So it could try to go upside. And we're positive on the Mac. So Microsoft looks bullish. As long as we stay above the 50. Remember that. So if we go under around here, don't even think twice, just short it. So Microsoft, Google, definitely wrote that wrong. So let's see, Alphabet. You see, Alphabet looks like it might 1, 2, already 2 red days. So basically, if it goes under, it could bounce here. This is what, 135, 136. I wouldn't even short it. It could bounce around here. And it already looks like it wants to go under because of the RSI. We already got 2 tints. So Microsoft looks heavier than the other guys, in my opinion, because of the RSI and the Mac. Yeah, so, but I'll wait for a bounce around here. I wouldn't even try to short it anymore. So that would be a bounce level. Tesla. Tesla has earnings this week. No, I know a lot of you guys know already. So Tesla got 3 days red already. So you guys could start looking for possible reversal. Let me see. Or it could just continue down. So just watch that side. The 250-20 area to short it. And just a heads up, there are a lot of people that are bearish on this ER coming up on Tesla. I'm going off of what I've seen on TV. There's someone put a big amount of puts on Tesla coming into ER. So if it's true, it's kind of showing a little bit here. I'm not gonna lie. Everything is saying he wants to flash a little down. Once it breaks this support on the RSI, then I think it's gone. And look, there's a lot of space on the RSI to drop. This thing could go as low as here. So that bear could be right about this move on Tesla. So Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Meta. Meta looks heavy too, guys. Yep, it just sliced through the RSI. So that gives me bearish sentiment. This too as well. So Meta under here, I think is a definitely short. And last of the Fang, Netflix, right? Yeah, Netflix, Apple, Tesla. Yeah, I spoke about all the important ones. Last one. Netflix will put up a morning star. This is a nice doji reversal and it's green. So just watch Netflix for a reversal tomorrow, possibly. It's already oversold. Too much selling going on. Should be double bottoming out with this MACD line, so I can see a reversal happening. All right, let me get these names out. Hold on, I got my list here. All right, first on the list. So coin is going for a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna continue or not, but it was pushing a little bit. So you guys with the big accounts could watch MSTR. Small accounts could watch Mata, Riot, Hut. But I think MSTR could definitely triple bottom out here. That's why I'm telling you guys to try to see if we can watch it tomorrow. They've been getting beat down pretty bad. So I got a level right here. So we already been crossed the RSI, and it's already been trending down, right? And like I said, Bitcoin did a little move, so maybe these miners could finally put in a real bounce this week. Let's look at coin. So yeah, three red candles just like coin. And look, this is a definitely look, coin bounces every time almost around here, guarantee. It might take a day or took a few days here, but it still bounced around the same price range. So that's what I'm saying. Watch this area for a bounce on coin. And let's see. So right here is a good level. I'll adjust it in the morning. That's above the 200. So we got that one. All right. That's enough for the miners. McDonald's. McDonald's. I haven't spoke about McDonald's in a long time and watch this. So McDonald's has been getting hit, right? Beat down really bad. So what we see here, guys, nice little double bottom. This is what I like most. It's already showing not the perfect, but an ugly inverse head and shoulder pattern here. And it's already ripping up. So tomorrow, McDonald's is a big watch. Not McDonald's for tomorrow. I'll say I'll watch McDonald's for the week because it looks like it could be a hold if it decides to do some upside continuation. This is like a more could have been a morning star, but it's a green candle and almost in the same area, so that gives it opportunity to keep going up. You just gotta hold this 9, the 90 and me, my green line. So advanced auto parts. This one's another one that's getting beat down bad, but it looks like it's doing a reversal, like with a hammer candle. And look, this looks good. We got triple touch and already crossed. So this one, same thing, same concept, right? See if these guys want to hold. Futures is up, and right now they look like they're green. So market might do something tomorrow. Lulu. I got Lulu on the list for y'all. Lulu's currently at 396 after hours. I don't know if it's true, but if it is, it's saying it's up here. So I want to see if we can hit the 400 calls, right? So I'm gonna watch Lulu tomorrow. 398 to see if we could really go for 400. Everything looks good though. This looks really strong, and looks like the bulls are gonna come in strong tomorrow too. So watch Lulu retail. Small account play. This one caught my attention. Let me see why. Okay. So this one held the 200 even on the bad days we had, which was Thursday and Friday. So look, Friday put in a green one, which was shocking to me. Thursday had a bad day, but it still held this level. So the fact that Friday wanted to reclaim at least the 200 was good strength. So we're gonna try to go for the 2.5s, but we gotta wait till it breaks this resistance area over there. Watch that area. And this looks bullish because look, increased max. This looks good on the bars. And the white line is really far extended. And the RSI looks great too. It pivoted so far away from each other. So that's good. This small account friendly. So you might have to get this time to develop. Keep that in mind. I like MO, Altria. We put in a higher low here. We got a nice trend line respecting it to the upside right here. So, and it's holding the 9, my green line. So, and this looks good too, not going downward. And we got increase here on bulls. I'm watching that level, that 42.95 level. I'm watching that level for MO tomorrow. Next, SM. Okay, this one actually gapped up Friday, guys. So where we're going, look, major resistance here. So looks like we're gonna revisit. So I'm gonna watch it around here. But this looks good. It broke this resistance, both areas of the RSI, strong resistance strength. It broke it. So most likely gonna go up here. And this looks great as well. So this one looks very good on the upside. Next, CVX. So oil was actually moving good Friday. Remember, guys? I actually called MRO. So MRO went in the money plus more. Sold a little early, but it's all right. My day could have been worse than what it was. So CVX looks good. Oil looks like it might go high. We got a triple bounce here on the RSI. The only thing is I don't like this on the negative side, but it does have a tint change. So it shows that the bulls did try to push up on Friday, even though the market was bearish. So I'm gonna watch this one above here for CVX. So since I like CVX, of course I went to Oxy. They kind of move together. So Oxy looks good. Look, it looks strong on the RSI. Mac looks decent. Yeah, it looks good on the Mac too. So Oxy could be, but CVX looks a little stronger than Oxy. So in my opinion. So Oxy, we gotta watch. I'll say around this area to see if it wants to continue. The 65.55 area. What is that? Yeah, 55 area. So go watch definitely Oxy. And if you draw a trend line from here down, you see it, it's almost cracking it. So remember when I told you guys about trend lines, that's why I post SPY for you guys all the time. Just mimic my charts. Once SPY goes under that trend line, don't think twice, just short it. Friday, easily. Go under, as soon as it went on the trend line Friday, just call it, go in puts. You guys don't gotta wait for me to tell you guys. I put it there for you guys to use the chart. Because I'm looking at a whole bunch of other things. But yeah, once it cracks this trend line, we're gonna go up on Oxy. I'm gonna leave it just like this so we can go back and look at it. Okay, so waste management. Waste management put in a real strong candle Friday for the market being horrible, in my opinion. So I think we could watch it right here. And look, everything looks strong. It cracked here, cracked a nice level here. And we look like we want to rip higher here. This is resistance in the MAC. So waste management is a good long play, in my opinion. It was just recovering from a bear hammer because it was being hammered down with the bears. It's been going up since last week. I've been talking about waste management. I was talking about waste management around here, and it's continuing basically, guys. All state. Oh my God, all state. I don't know what all state did Friday, but wow, I'm mad I missed it. That's what happens. Okay. So there's a resistance wick over here. And it's currently around here. Okay, so let me see. It's a real strong candle. I think we're gonna have to bounce this. Yeah, let's bounce it. Let's bounce it. Bounce it right here. It's either there. Yeah, resistance bounce, right? Resistance bounce on Friday. Right. So tomorrow all stay. It's gonna probably go to these two levels. 119. Yeah, I would just wait for around 119 all state to try to get in longs for the bounce play. But I am a bull because that Friday move was really strong and the volume was ridiculous. So all state is definitely a bull call. I want to watch silver again this week because it obviously continued from where we initially had them. We called silver perfect. I can honestly say we got in perfect. We got in around here, guys, and could have just held it. So tomorrow it looks like it wants to continue. So I'm watching that area, that 2110 zone. It's a big watch for me. We got this ripping to the upside, which is good, and it broke resistance slightly right here. You can put it down a little bit right there. It's prairie dogging over here somewhere, so that's good. And this looks really strong. So I'll watch the silver. I'm watching Barry Gold too, because Barry Gold did a good run too, and it gapped up on Friday. So it looks like some people are just running the gold now. So watch this one around here. Now, if it wants to bounce before it rips higher, gold is gonna bounce right around here, I'll say. Why I say right here, because look, we bounced one time. This is our second bounce. Usually 3 bounce. It goes. So just watch. Or you gotta just watch the price action once it gets to this level to see if there's a bounce or not. All right. And its resistance. Look, the wick right here. So gold is silver, Barry Gold and SLV. I got 2 more in that set team. Humana, or gum. That's funny. Humana's at 515, right? So it looks bearish right now, but unless Robin Hood lied to me on Friday, it says that Humana's around here, the top of this wick, right? So I'm gonna watch it tomorrow because it does look. This looks bullish. It doesn't look bearish. Like I know there's a red candle on the daily, but that was a weak bear candle. This looks very strong to the upside, and we're still positive here, which is good. So Humana could push higher too. I'm trying to zoom in for you guys. Hold on, guys. There we go. So look, yeah, everything's lining up bullish on Humana. So definitely watch Humana. And last but not least, this is a small account play right here. Next decade. Okay, so we got a double bottom with a bullish engulfing. This is engulfing this whole candle. Double bottom, higher low, RSI crisscrossing each other already. Everything's bullish on this chart. So this should blast if it's real. So we're gonna watch the we trying to get the $5 calls. So watch 470 tomorrow. And hopefully we get some type of price action, normal price action, not some type of price. Because I don't think we got, let me see what type of news and data we have right now. I'm just trying to see if we're gonna get chopped or not. 1 second. I got my calendar here. All right. Economic calendar. So Monday. Oh, my phone's about to die. Uh, all right, so we got Empire State Manufacturers, Philadelphia Fed Patrick at 10:30. U.S. retail sales Tuesday. Remember, this is earnings week 2 starting, so we should be a volatile week. Housing, Fed Governor Walters, President William Speaks. So Tuesday data, Thursday data, Tuesday and Thursday data. So those are the 2 days I think we're gonna get some good normal price action. I don't know about the other days, but Tuesday and Thursday with earning on top. So let's see what happens. Looking forward to be honest. All right, gang. So all I got. Y'all want me to talk about any charts? Just let me know. If not, matter of fact, nah, we good. This other people are not here, so the people that normally ask. All right, this is gonna be up on YouTube, so you guys can see it. All right, have a good one.
Baby.